Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is December 16th, 2024. Here is what we are covering. President-elect Donald Trump is receiving advice from prominent Silicon Valley figures like Elon Musk and Marc Andreessen on AI strategy. This group is particularly concerned with AI censorship, which they argue as a key issue impacting free speech and political discourse. They claim that AI chatbots could potentially manipulate information to suit big tech's biases. The concern is that AI companies may enforce political correctness, influencing public perception through curated responses. Trump's advisors suggest that controlling AI responses could become a focal point in the ongoing dispute between conservatives and tech giants. From political AI concerns to its impact on research, a study reveals AI boosts scientists' careers but narrows research scope. Researchers from the University of Chicago and Tsinghua University analyzed 68 million papers. Papers using AI were cited more frequently but explored fewer topics. As a result, reliance on AI might be hindering innovation in science. The study suggests reevaluating incentives to encourage broader scientific exploration. Now moving to AI tools for organization, OpenAI has unveiled a new feature called Projects within ChatGPT, enhancing organizational capabilities for files and chats. Announced during the company's 12 Days of OpenAI live stream, this feature is now available to ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Teams subscribers. However, enterprise and edu users will gain access in January. Projects allows users to create folders, add documents, and move existing chats to a central location, similar to Google's Notebook LM. OpenAI aims to expand file support and integrate cloud storage services in the coming year. Speaking of advancements, now on to multimodal AI. Google's launch of Gemini 2.0 Flash marks a significant milestone in the multimodal AI landscape, allowing real-time interactions with video captured via smartphones. Unlike earlier stage demonstrations, this technology is now accessible to the general public, heralding new opportunities for education and enterprise applications. This release intensifies the tech rivalry between Google, OpenAI, and Microsoft, all racing to integrate multimodal capabilities into consumer products. However, challenges such as privacy, scalability, and ecosystem integration remain critical as these technologies advance. As Google leads this transformative moment, other giants like Microsoft and OpenAI are closely following, highlighting a competitive dynamic reminiscent of the early smartphone wars. Shifting from AI tech wars to energy innovations, Exxon Mobil is entering the AI data center power market by planning a dedicated power plant fueled by natural gas. This move underscores the anticipated electricity demands of tech firms driven by AI advancements. The plant will generate over 1.5 gigawatts and promises to capture and store over 90% of its carbon emissions. By not connecting to the grid, Exxon aims to bypass interconnection delays affecting many new power projects. However, it faces competition from renewable energy investments by tech giants like Google and Microsoft. And finally, on to AI's growing role in education. The use of generative AI among university students has surged, with more than half reportedly relying on it for assessments. This trend has led to increased accusations of AI-related cheating, leaving many students falsely accused and facing severe academic repercussions. Tools like Turnitin have introduced AI detection software, but concerns over reliability and potential bias have emerged. Some educators support adapting to AI as a teaching aid, while others express frustration over diminished academic integrity. The issue underscores a deeper systemic challenge in higher education, where transactional learning and financial pressures exacerbate the situation.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.